Ho ho ho! No hunting or fishing this weekend, but we're doing something fun.
Home to the mountain.
Most of you guys have seen Sam before. Sam's a good buddy and part of NPLife. He also has a few, holy moly, that's right, a few ventures of his own. Mad Bro Motorsports, Outlaw Performance ENT. We're gonna go fly the drone. Oh, cue GoPro footage, see you when we're there. Alright, sweet. Well, we just pulled up to Sam's friend's house in the middle of nowhere. And we are about to fly this bad boy for the first time.
Hopefully fly. Not crash.
So we figured, how else are we going to get all of our YouTube ventures to the next level without some buttery drone footage?
Some pow, some boop, 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 boop.
So hopefully we don't crash this thing today.
Aaron, stop saying that, dude.
Alright, let's play. Can you just hold it? Like, can you just make it not do anything?
Yeah, but I really don't want to do that over my truck.
Well, the GPS should hold it. I'm not gonna lie, I am super jealous of Sam right now. One of these Mavics. That's I think that's gonna be in the future. Look at that thing. Son of a gun, that thing is cool. Well, there was spot number one. We're gonna go see if we can find somewhere else to cruise this thing by. And also maybe learn how to use like the gimbal and stuff so we can get buttery video.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna be cool. All right, we just picked up spot number two. We're gonna try to figure out how to control the camera because that's gonna be relatively important, you know, for filming and stuff like that. Oh, I hate when that happens.
Let's try this again. Take two.
Yes, bam. Pretty sure the best part about this stuff is this return to home thing.
Well, that's definitely not where it took off.
Oh, here she comes. That landing seems suitable enough.
All right, Aaron, your turn.
Dude, let's go find one more spot.
Right.
Some new spot.
Low battery.
All right, spot number.
I didn't bring a charger for this. Because it was 100%.
Okay, maybe we're done. Who knows? Let's go warm up and we'll see what happens. You got a second battery, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, the game keeps going. The game keeps going. Okay, well, we just flew for a second time. Now we're going to go look for one last place and then go home because it's getting cold. But this thing is fun. This is super fun. My wife's not going to be happy because I really want one of these now. All right, well, we found a gravel road out in the middle of nowhere. And we're gonna just see if we can do like some follow me's and some cool shots with the drone like that. So that'll be the end of basically what we do tonight. I'll talk to you guys when we get done flying.